Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on Facebook. So follow these steps. To change password, log in your Facebook account with Facebook app or any browser. And then click on the three lens button. Then here you need to scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Now click on Account Center. But if the Account Center is not here, you can search Account Center. And then click on Account Center. Here click on Password and Security. And click on Change Password. Now select your Facebook account. Now you can change your Facebook password. First is you need to enter your current Facebook password. And then create a new password for your Facebook account. Follow the above instructions for creating new password. And here retype the new password. Once all are done, you can now click on Change Password. Now click on Select All button. And click on Logout. Now this Facebook account log out from all devices, and successfully changed the password. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.